Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Oladele. Today I'll be talking about how I became a Latino in 5 weeks. Wow, live good. 2023 is an amazing year. It's a year I made a decision that I want to run a business where no one would say, "Love, you introduced me to a business and I lost my money." I am a crypto person. I love to do crypto business and I love to do service. Well, I am a trainer. I'm a professional trainer. I love to train. I train for an organization. I train for government. So, as a side hustle, I'm doing network marketing and affiliate marketing. But I tell people today it happened that our side hustle is even more giving us more money than our main hustle. That's actually the case most times for network marketers. You want to do network marketing as a side hustle and it can turn out to be your main hustle. So I had that experience over the years where I would say, I want to run this business as a side hustle. And it turned out to be a main hustle because it may even be giving you more money than the main thing that you're doing. So when I was told about LiveGood on the 25th of January in 2023, I told the person I have my year planned out. And it's true, I had my year planned out. I've decided I was going to just face my training business, I run an NGO as well. I'll just face my training business and teach people, skills they can use, that can serve them for life, basically. So I told this person, no, I know I don't do product. She said, I know you do not do product, but I've attended one of your trainings and you told us that we should be open to businesses. So I want you to be open to this particular business. Then you can come and tell me no. So I said, okay, I checked it out. When I checked LiveGood out, I love what I saw. I love the fact that they have products. And I love one more fact, that I'm not forced to buy any product. Most product companies force you to buy product, and I don't ever want to buy product I don't need. I've had my own experiences twice. I've been forced to put in multi-millions in product company, and I just have some of the product will just expire in your house, and I don't want to experience that ever again. So when I checked out LiveGood and I found that I do not have to buy product, there's no compulsion. LiveGood is basically using membership. So I have a lot of videos on my YouTube channel telling you all about LiveGood, our Zoom training. So you can I'm going to post some of these videos in the recommended video on the description so that you can watch and understand totally what LiveGood is. So when I found out also that LiveGood is just a membership, you pay $50 for the first month. That is, you pay $40 to be able to continue to earn as an affiliate, and you pay $10 your membership fee, monthly membership fee. That actually works for me. So I actually said, okay, since I do not like product company, let me pay for 1 year. So I paid for 1 year and I decided to run with the business. Well, let me tell you the truth. I paid and I wasn't sure if I was going to run, but I wanted to buy the products. I joined LiveGood because of the product. So one of the products they have is a protein shake, and in my next video I'll be showing you my products because I actually have the products. So it's a protein shake and I love protein shake. I'm trying to cut down my weight, so protein shake actually help to build the muscle. So I love it. And some other products that they have, you just have to mix them with water and drink, and I like such products. So I said, okay, let me do this business. So I now posted the same message the ladies sent to me. I posted it on my groups, on my WhatsApp group, and before I woke up the next day, about 20 persons have joined. At this time, I've not studied this business. So when I studied this business, I found that, you can actually grow with 3 persons. That was it then when I joined in January. You can actually grow with 3 persons. And if you really want to rank, at the time I joined, if you want to rank, you will need to work with your team members. So I practically stopped using my link. I started helping my team members. Now, it was later we found out, oh, the company changed that, oh, a lot of people are using, giving their referrals, people are giving them out to their team members because they want to rank, and the company does not want you to do that, so that you can rank, because the main money in this business is actually in the matching bonus. You can get that explanation on how you make the main money in the matching bonus in the videos I'm going to put in my recommended video, so that you understand how this business really runs. The third day, I decided, oh, I think I can run with this business. So that's when I started putting in all of my WhatsApp group. So I ran to Diamond by using WhatsApp. I use only WhatsApp marketing. You know, I use my broadcast, I use my my WhatsApp status. So for me to go to platinum, I use WhatsApp marketing only. I was always posting on my WhatsApp, and fortunately for me, I got people on my WhatsApp groups that wanted to register. So I have not done, I didn't do one-on-one, I've not done videos, I've not started doing videos, attractive marketing. Okay, so yes, another thing, I was using basically WhatsApp, and I was using Zoom training. So immediately I kicked off with my Zoom training. So I started doing my personal Zoom training. I do not like physical training as much. When those days when I do network marketing, I used to do physical training, but now, after COVID-19, I found that a lot of people love to do training online, so I do more online training. So I like the fact that from the comfort of my home and from the comfort of your home, I can actually show you what LiveGood is. So that works for me. I was doing my Zoom. Then as time goes on, I decided to join the Zoom of my sponsor. I decided to join a larger Zoom. So I basically take the Zoom training on Thursdays and Fridays in the morning, because for that larger body, we do Zoom every day, Monday to Saturday, morning and evening. So there is a trainer assigned to do. You just choose when you want to train. So I also use that. So I drive people to the Zoom. I invite my people on my WhatsApp group. I actually add WhatsApp groups, you know, from my previous businesses. So depending on where you're coming from, you may want to mark out how you want to drive your business. You want to do WhatsApp, you want to drive people to the Zoom. I want to encourage you that if you have a team and the team actually do Zoom, you can always invite people to the Zoom room. It actually works. I have people who have attended my Zoom training, and they go back to their invitees that they would like to start the business. So why not just use your phone? Like I say to my team members, and I just use your phone. This is using your phone. So I just use my phone. I just invite people. I keep inviting people to the Zoom room. However, there is one more rank as at this time in LiveGood. As of today, there is one more rank, which is to get to Diamond. Now, for me to get to Diamond, there are many more things I'm doing, because I need more people to be able to get to Diamond. For Platinum, you need just 500 persons in your structure. For Diamond, I need 2,500 persons in my structure. So I'm doing many more things. If you want to know many more things I'm doing to get to Diamond, you would need to watch my next video. So you need to stay tuned to my next video and see what I am doing to get to Diamond. You want to learn that, because you can use basically what I'm using. You can actually adapt what I'm using, and you can drive yourself to Diamond as well. So stay tuned for my next video.